Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the trickiest beauty products to get right, long-wear eyeliner. You know how it goes, you put on that eyeliner in the morning, but by midday, it's faded, smudged, or totally gone. Well, not today. I've got the top 5 long-wearing eyeliners that will actually stay put, all day long. We'll go through each product's pros, cons, and even a few tips to make sure you get the best wear out of each one. Let's jump right in. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have Maybelline Waterproof Eyeliner. First up, we have the Maybelline Waterproof Eyeliner. Maybelline is known for delivering high-quality products at budget-friendly prices, and this eyeliner is no exception. This one is a fan favorite for its easy application, waterproof capabilities, and impressive staying power. What I love about this eyeliner is how smooth it glides on. It's great for both beginners and pros because you don't have to struggle with skipping or tugging. It's also waterproof, which is essential for those of us who need that smudge-proof look in humid or rainy weather. Pros: easy to apply, super smooth formula, waterproof, smudge-proof, and humidity-resistant, budget-friendly for high-quality performance. Cons: might need a good oil-based remover to take off completely. Some users report it fades a bit after 8 to 10 hours if they have oily skin. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable option, this Maybelline eyeliner is definitely a winner. It's not perfect, but with a little setting powder on top, it really holds up. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Stila Eyeliner. Next on our list is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Now, if you're familiar with high-end makeup, you've probably heard of this one. It's a cult classic, and for a good reason. The precision tip on this one is amazing for those super sharp winged looks. It's easy to create a delicate line or go all out with a dramatic cat eye. And, let me tell you, once this dries, it's not going anywhere. Pros: extremely precise application, great for detailed work, long-lasting formula that truly lives up to its name, waterproof, sweat-proof, and practically life-proof. Cons: a bit pricier compared to drugstore options, requires a bit of practice to master the liquid format. Stila's eyeliner is ideal for anyone looking to invest in something long-lasting and professional grade. It's definitely on the pricier side, but if you're after quality, it's worth every penny. The number 3 position is held by L'Oréal Paris Infallible Eyeliner. Moving on to our third pick, the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Pro Last Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner. This one strikes a great balance between affordability and quality, so if you're looking for a mid-range option, listen up. This pencil formula has a creamy consistency, which makes it easy to apply but still stays in place once it sets. You get about 24 hours of wear with this one, yes, 24 hours. It's a solid choice if you have a long day ahead or need your makeup to last through the night. Pros: creamy formula that's easy to work with, 24-hour wear, seriously long-lasting. Affordable and widely available. Cons: takes a few seconds to set, so you'll need to wait before touching it. Some users report smudging if they have oily eyelids, so setting powder might be needed. Overall, L'Oréal's Infallible Eyeliner is a great mid-range choice. It combines the ease of a pencil with the staying power of a liquid. Just make sure to let it dry for a few seconds before moving on to avoid any accidental smudging. Next at number 4, we have COVERGIRL Long Lasting Eyeliner. Fourth on our list is the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist 24-Hour Kohl Eyeliner. This one is perfect if you're looking for a versatile kohl pencil that can be used for a soft look or a bold, smoky eye. Cut to close-up of the COVERGIRL eyeliner, showing how easily it applies to the waterline and upper lash line. Usman Haruni, the COVERGIRL Kohl Eyeliner has a really rich pigment, which makes it great for both everyday looks and more intense, evening styles. It's not as waterproof as some of the others, but it does hold up really well for a good 12 hours. Pros: rich pigmentation, great for bold looks. Versatile, soft formula for different styles. Comfortable wear for sensitive eyes. Cons: not as waterproof as some of the others on this list. Might need touch-ups if worn on very oily skin. COVERGIRL's Kohl Eyeliner is a solid choice for anyone who wants something that's easy to blend, especially for smoky eyes. Plus, it's gentle enough for sensitive eyes, so contact lens wearers, this one's for you. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Wonder 2 long-lasting eyeliner. And last, but certainly not least, we have the Wonder 2 Superstay Liner. Now, Wonder 2 is a brand known for its long-lasting makeup products, and this eyeliner is no exception. If you need something that'll really last, this might just be the one. Close-up of the Wonder 2 liner, demonstrating its intense color payoff on the hand or a close-up eye application. Usman Haruni, the Wonder 2 eyeliner is highly pigmented and glides on with ease. Once it's on for the long haul, no smudging, no fading. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, and just about everything proof, which is perfect for anyone with a busy schedule or for special occasions. Pros: incredibly long-lasting, stays put through anything. Rich, intense pigmentation for bold looks. Waterproof, smudge-proof, and sweat-proof. Cons: can be a bit harder to remove, so make sure you have a good remover. The bold pigment might not be for everyone looking for a softer look. The Wonder 2 Superstay Liner is ideal for anyone who needs high performance from their eyeliner. It's not the easiest to remove, but that's what makes it so long-lasting. So there you have it. 5 of the best long-wear eyeliners, each with their own strengths. If you're looking for an affordable, all-rounder, Maybelline's waterproof eyeliner is a great choice. For that professional, sharp look, Stila's liquid liner is hard to beat. L'Oréal Paris Infallible is perfect if you need long wear with an easy pencil format, while COVERGIRL's Kohl liner is versatile for smoky looks. And if you need serious staying power, Wonder 2 has you covered.